You gonna draw a picture? You have to draw a picture. You gonna draw a picture of me? That's nice. I'm an awesome girl? Thank you, Elias. You're an awesome boy. You are an awesome boy.
It's too hot here. It's too hot here.
Oh, is that sweater too hot?
It's too hot here.
Do you want to take that sweater off?
Too hot.
Okay. It's too hot in there, huh? Is it itchy back here? Oh, you are warm in there, huh?
I want my tiny shirt.
You want your tiny shirt?
That it doesn't match.
It doesn't match.
And my blue shirt. I want my blue
You
shirt.
gotta have your blue shirt. Is that better? I unbuttoned it.
Take it off, buddy. You want some help? Here.
Yeah, take it off.
Take your arm out of there. Pull it this way. Hey, shirt, get off there. There, can you take it off your head? You need a different shirt? You have a shirt under there. Oops, I think maybe I took your sleeve out. Can you take your sweater off?
Yeah.
There,
great.
good job.
You got a rooster on your shirt.
That's the shirt Finn gave you.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
You like that shirt? You gonna draw a picture? A picture of me? You're doing a great job. You go ahead.
No, I don't.
You need some help?
Help.
Okay.